Keyboard shortcut in Windows 7 to center window. I find when left arrow and when right arrow really useful in Windows 7 to make a window take up 50% of the left or right side of the screen, respectively. However, is there any command that will make a window take up 50% of the screen and be centered? Even if it doesn't adjust the size of the window, is there a keyboard shortcut to make a window center itself vertically and horizontally? Thanks.
You should check out WinSplit Revolution. It has what you need and is customizable.
This is not exactly for centering, but lets you move the window left and right, and up and down, easily. Focus a window. Press Alt plus space. Press M for move. Use the arrow keys to move the window exactly where you want it. Press Enter when done.
The Windows plus arrow keys are quite useful here. Plus, left, and plus, right, cycle through going to the left or right 50% of the screen, and restoring the window to its original size and position. Plus, up, maximizes the window. Plus, down, restores the window if it is maximized, and minimizes it otherwise.
February 24, 2023, the Microsoft PowerToys Fancy Zones feature can more or less fit this use case now, this URL. But I'm not completely happy with it yet, and since AutoHotkey has recently reached v2.0, here's a ported version of the script. Previous answer, I would suggest using AutoHotkey. An example script that does exactly what you asked was already provided in an answer to another question. Here's the code of the script. I made a slight adjustment so the bottom of the window doesn't go beneath the taskbar, and changed the window width from 0.7 to 0.5. Now working with multiple monitors, and uses the work area for top and bottom values. On a side note, WinSplit Revolution has been discontinued and replaced by a paid app called Maxto. In addition to being very powerful and covering much more use cases, AutoHotkey is also free and open source.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.